Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of the 2023 Barletta Lusso 25MA with an arch. This is a Tri-Toon powered by the Mercury 450 racing outboard. These Barlettas come with a 10-year bow to stern warranty. Starting at the bow, you have your see-through door called doggy dock view for your dogs to be able to look out. Right there is some anchor storage at the bow, so you're not putting your anchor underneath one of these corner cushions. You have recessed cup holders, stainless steel leather wrapped grab handles with USB ports and speakers. And all of these cup holders, speakers, they light up. Hinged storage throughout the boat. Drop down armrests in the bow. There's a pop-out table right there, and your subwoofer is located underneath that table. Your co-captain's chair here is more of a lounge seat with a pop-up armrest for you. You can also sit facing backwards or lay this cushion all the way down and lift up this cushion here, and now you're lounging facing forwards. Big in-floor storage built right into the center pontoon. Right now the cover is located down there. There's also a hidden glove box, lockable glove box underneath with a light. Garbage can, lockable glove box. Food and water dishes for your pets. Nice raised helm. Armrests. This boat's got a digital throttle, flush mount Simrad, Audison stereo. This here is an air conditioning vent, great for channels, hot channels when you're moving slow. Wireless phone charger. This arch is a power arch with a bimini. And just as this seat here converts, that seat and back here also does the same thing. The table mounts into the floor. Put these back up. There's a leather strap. Now you got some of your guests sitting at the stern of the boat looking out. Battery switch is conveniently located on the side. A couple fender cradles with quick connect clips, so you can grab those fenders, put them out, no tying knots, trying to find the right place. There's more anchor storage here at the stern and built right into the floor. Speakers off the back. And a nice lily pad ladder that extends out more like stairs than a ladder. Even designed for dogs to come up onto the boat. And a nice 450R Mercury outboard. Center fill fuel, doesn't matter what side of the dock you're on when filling up. And again, all the cup holders light up, the speakers. One more walk through. Boat is rated for 14. And that is the Barletta Lusso 25 Meridian Arch Tri-Toon with a 450 Racing Mercury outboard. Have a great day.